Hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter. I don't know whether I've actually already started this video or not. I can't remember what's in the camera, so just in case, welcome back to BTHQ Banter number 4 for the year. We have a special visitor and a rather exciting moment. Look who it is! Hey! Can we say hello everyone?
Hello everyone!
And we're doing that very exciting bit that I love, where you get to unpick the fly on your ginger jeans and have a it works moment.
I hope it does.
It will do, it will do.
No pressure.
No pressure, no pressure. Here they go, here they go. Ah! No, you've got to do the thing, you've got to zip the zip. Look, get a flappy flap.
So true.
That's what I did when I cut my zip, and I then just went whoop and took the zip right off the top. Oh yes.
Oh no.
Very exciting.
Waistband is on.
No, no. So this is actually day 2 of our ginger jeans workshop. It is about, well, we're almost finished of day 2 actually. I have been away in the lovely, where was I?
Alton Towers.
Yeah, I know it was Alton Towers. Where is Alton Towers?
In hell.
No, like, it's not Shropshire, it's, oh, I don't know, I've been at Alton Towers anyway, for 3 days, up north, for 3 days with 3 14-year-old boys, and I'm still alive. So yes, I got back yesterday, so the lovely Charlotte's been here manning the fort, or holding the fort, and I've just popped in to see them. So, and then I'll be leaving them to it again tomorrow. So they might pick the camera up, they might not, who knows, and I'll see you again soon. Good morning, it is Monday. Charlotte is still here with us. She's had a lovely 3-day ginger jeans workshop. I'm going to put some pictures up here of her finished jeans, because she hung her head in shame this morning and said she hadn't picked up the camera, but that's fine. So as you can see, they had a really lovely time, some great fitting jeans, and today we have a 1-day workshop with 4 lovely ladies doing bodice fitting. Can we say hello everybody?
Hello everybody!
Oh, look at that. That was not practiced. Well done. We've got some fantastic patterns being done today. Gina's having a go at one of the Gertie charm patterns, which will be really interesting to see how that comes out. Which a fun one. Got the lovely Sandra back. We gave her a squeeze this morning. So nice to be able to squeeze people again. So yes, not really a lot to show you at the moment. What one are you doing?
What one?
Oh, was it over there?
No, there we go.
Oh, I've made this one. I've made this one, it's a nice one. Perfect, well, we'll get to see how they fit later. Next door we have little Miss Max. She's not been around for a while. Can you say hello? Hi. She's actually been a bit crafty today and having a go at some of our diamond painting. We haven't done this for a long while, have we? Is it the first lockdown we bought this? Oh, I can't remember. But yes, so busy day, and I am just taking the opportunity to do a bit of personal tracing and cutting out today. End of the day, everyone's gone home. I'm so out of practice at picking up this camera, it's ridiculous, but we had some really lovely fitting bodices. Nothing much to show you, to be honest, because they're all just toiles, but it was a really nice day. I've had a very productive day today and been sewing myself. I have made a vest top, Agnes vest top, out of my Smiley Happy People fabric. I have made a matching pair of knickers, so I can have like a summer PJ set. I have made a pair of boxer shorts for a certain someone in my life, and I have also made a little girl's dress as well as a birthday present for somebody. So I've been very busy sewing up with all my happy fabric. It's been really nice to just have a day to myself actually, to get some sewing done. I'm back in again tomorrow. I've got a one-to-one get to know your sewing machine, nothing too exciting. And then Wednesday we've got, what have we got on Wednesday? Oh, virtual craft club in the morning. And then the lovely Viv, who does our admin, is getting married on Wednesday afternoon. So I shall be going to the wedding, which is lovely. I'm looking forward to that. But there's really nothing else to show you this week, so I'm going to put the camera back on the shelf, and if anything exciting happens next week, I'll tack it on to the end of this vlog, on to the end of this video. So I'll see you when I see you. Bye. Good morning, it is the 1st of July. I actually haven't got a clue what's on this camera, whether there's even enough footage to create a BTHQ banter or not. If there is, I'll create it and I'll upload it. If there's not, well, I'll keep going. And so you're either going to come to the end of this video in a second or you're not. Let's see. I've had to come in today, although it's my day off, it's a Thursday. I went to record some video footage at home for a crochet course that I'm doing, and unfortunately my camera at home just was not playing ball, couldn't get it to work at all, which is very frustrating. So I've had to come in and use my overhead webcam here today. So I've just recorded that. I'm now going to go home and edit it all together. So I thought I would jump on here quickly, say a little hello, see how things are going, and then I'll take this home too and see what footage is actually on the camera. So like I say, if this is the end of the video, I'll say bye here. If it's not, then I'll carry on recording. But thanks very much for watching BTHQ Banter. See you soon. Bye. Hello, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. So I'm back again. I didn't finish the video. Went home, looked at the footage, and there was next to nothing to show you. So what is really frustrating is that on Tuesday just gone, I taught my very first one-day intensive beginners sewing with normal people in a normal studio space without all the distancing. There was less than 6 of us. We didn't have to wear masks and it was just so nice. But guess who left the camera at home? Really frustrating. So I remembered to bring it in today with me. We've got the lovely Angie back to do a mandala workshop with us today, and I'm about to take part in the next mandala workshop because it's been a long while since I've actually enjoyed a class from a pupil's perspective. So I thought I'd pick the camera up, take you in, introduce you to everybody and show you what we get up to. Can we say hello everyone? Hello everyone! Yay! Angie's back. And it's so nice, there's just 6 of us so we can comfortably sit round the table. Sans masque. Is that right? Sans masque?
Yeah,
yes.
mask.
Yeah, with my French. This is what I'm doing today. Let's get that to zoom in. There we go. Little tea light holder.
The other one I thought
Pretty, pretty.
I'm doing the first bit of the leaves and then I shall have fun felting the wire in place.
Can we just say hello everyone?
Hi everyone!
This is the last virtual craft club today after, gosh, how long has it been? March? Did we start this in March 2020? I think so. Yeah, just 4 of us today, but hey. So we should say bye-bye everybody. Bye everybody. Hello, hello. It is Wednesday the 21st. Yes, Wednesday, woo, the 21st of July. I do know whether I'm coming or going, honestly. I haven't picked the camera up for ages. As you will see, or have seen just now, we had our last virtual craft club. So for those of you who aren't in the UK, on the 19th of July, all of our restrictions were lifted here, putting us back to normal. Apparently the pandemic's ended, so you can't catch COVID anymore. It's ridiculous. I'm very pleased to say that actually the majority of businesses here in the UK have continued to maintain some form of safety precautions. Actually the majority of people are still wearing their masks out and about in the shops, even though they don't have to, which is nice. I certainly am. So we're still not rushing to put lots of classes and things back on. As of today, we've gone into our UK school summer holidays, so the kids are now off school for the next 6 weeks, and as such I'm going to take this next 6 weeks fairly easy. I'm going to spend some time with my kids, I'm going to spend some time with my new man and his kids, and on Sunday, all being well, I'm getting on a plane and I'm flying to Mallorca. And I cannot wait. I cannot tell you how much the thought of walking on the sand, swimming in the sea, laying on a sun lounger, drinking sangria, eating beautiful food, it appeals to me right now. It has been a very, very long 20 months since I last travelled on a proper holiday. other than my little brief trip to Amsterdam. But obviously that wasn't a sunny, warm holiday. So I am desperately in need of this breakaway. I'm going with the new man. The kids are away with their dad, so it'll be lovely. Nice little romantic couples holiday for two in an adults only resort, so I cannot wait. So fingers crossed I'm not coming back to you and saying that anything's changed and I can't go. I am staying away from all humans because I don't want to come down with anything. It'd be sod's law that I've gone this long without catching COVID myself and then going and catching it, or catching it, taking it there and getting stranded out there. You know, so touch wood, or whatever this cheapy IKEA furniture is, all will be well and I'll be away soon. So I thought I'd jump on ever so quickly and just do a little to camera with you, have a little chat with you really, because I know it's been a long while since I've done a BTHQ Banter and I want to get one edited and uploaded before I go away, so you got something to watch while we're away. I'm not going to finish right here though, because on Friday we have a Coffee and Tangles workshop, which is a Zentangle workshop. There's actually only 3 of us taking part in it because it's a rebook, but the lovely Elspeth will be here and Rachel and myself, with our tutor Hannah. So I thought I would wait until that class so I can get that onto camera, and then I'll have a little edit and probably an upload while I'm away. But I thought I'd jump on quickly while I've got 5 minutes, have a chat with you now before that workshop. So if you are interested in in-person classes during the summer holidays, we do have lots of kids classes taking place. They're all on the website so you can book them. There is a few adult classes on as well, and I will be putting some more on in the next couple of weeks. I'm not going too mad or too heavy, because like I say, as much as they've said we'll never go into another lockdown again, you know, who knows, Boris has said that, but it sounds to me like we're going to get ourselves into another bit of a pickle as a country, regardless of the fact that the majority of us are vaccinated. So I'm still being a bit cautious with putting too much on, and because the administration around rejuggling everybody and moving everyone around is just ridiculous, and I don't want to be doing that. So we're going to chill here at BTHQ for the summer, but if there is something you want to do, then just get in touch with me, because I've got lots of time on my hands, and I can certainly fit you in for a bit of one-to-one, or you can come along and work on your own projects and things like that. Just use the space and make sure that it's used. So as far as BTHQ Banter is concerned, again, I'm going to keep picking the camera up, just getting little bits here and there, and then once I've got enough to couple together, so at least 10 minutes of footage, then I'll edit it together and upload it as a BTHQ Banter. And I have got a couple of tutorials coming up soon, eek, and I have done a bit more filming for what I've been sewing videos, so they are all on the way. Slowly but surely going to start picking things up with YouTube again over the next couple of months as well. So I will say bye for now. I'll pick you up again for Coffee and Tangles on Friday, and then say a final goodbye and an edit then. So I'll see you Friday. Look who's here. Can you banter briefly?
Banter. Oh, it's lovely to see you.
Bantering briefly.
I don't know. Who could I be seen you for a long time?
So today we're here with Hannah. Say hello, Hannah.
Hello.
Oh, there, she's well practiced. We're doing Coffee and Tangles today. So basically we're going to be doing Zentangling, but we're going to be using coffee to stain our tiles, which is very exciting. It's just me, little pack, little goodie bag, me, Rachel and Elspeth. So a little intimate group today, but we thought you might like to see it, so I'll show you what we do when we're finished. Banter.
They've given us a straw, so it's obviously going to get really fun.
And if you look, they all match your clothes.
They do.
Oh my gosh!
OMG!
Hannah,
I don't get out much.
I love it! Woohoo! That's a screenshot, that is. So we've done our Coffee and Tangles. Don't look at this one, it's disastrous. But they're all looking fabulous. We zoom in. Pretty. And we particularly like the blobbage caused by the gold pen. Don't we?
We love a bit of blobbage.
What was that, Rachel?
I said we love a bit of blobbage.
So that is it for BTHQ Banter. Smile, Elspeth. This month, finally. Wave goodbye, Hannah.
Bye. Bye, Hannah.
Oh, she's a smart.
So as promised yesterday when I came on and chatted to you, this is going to wrap up this BTHQ Banter. I'll get it edited and uploaded. I'm not quite sure when. Might be after I get back from my holidays now. But yes, hopefully then when I get home we'll be into summer holidays, some kids classes, and things starting to return to a little bit of normality, dare I use that word, at BTHQ in the future. So I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.